Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify PayPal account readiness for online selling, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your PayPal account readiness for online selling, start by logging into your PayPal account. Locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear, in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to enter your account settings. In the account settings menu, navigate to the account info section. Check for the verification status of your account displayed prominently. If your account is not verified, look for instructions on how to complete the verification process. Next, ensure you have linked a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. Select Link a new bank or link a new card from the relevant options. Follow the prompts to input the required information. After linking, PayPal may make a small deposit to your bank account for verification. Check your bank account for this deposit after a couple of business days. Once you see the deposit, return to your PayPal account and go to the Confirm Bank section. Input the deposit amount to complete the verification. If you linked a credit card, look for a verification charge, which will be refunded. Enter the charge amount in the designated section to verify your card. Next, visit the Business Information section to ensure your business details are complete. Fill in essential fields such as your business name, address, and phone number if applicable. Now, review any additional requirements for your country regarding online selling. Proceed to check your account limits to ensure you can handle the expected transaction volume. If necessary, upgrade your account to a business account for additional features. Familiarize yourself with PayPal's policies and fee structures related to online selling. Finally, perform a test transaction to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Once completed, your PayPal account will be ready for online selling, providing you the confidence to start your e-commerce journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.